Hello and welcome to Python Fundamentals. In this course, we learn the underpinning Python programming skills, preparing for our journey towards mastering the Django Framework and the Python programming language. This tutorial is part of a series of tutorials. You can find the link to the whole playlist in the video description. This tutorial is from our Python Programming Fundamentals for Django Developers course, which you can find and purchase on Udemy. You will find all the latest and updated tutorials, as well as resources and assessments to help accelerate your learning of the subject. The link to the course, which will always provide the best price, can be found in the video description. So far in this course, we've learned a number of different skills, creating new Django applications. We've implemented comments, variables, discussed data types and the significance of data types within our application, and started to develop lists and loops. If we were to use these skills that we've learnt so far in this course to build applications, we could build applications that would generally follow a set path. Our application would be very predictable. It would start at the start, it would end at the end. There isn't too much in terms of flexibility. Our application wouldn't be able to make decisions. In order to build flexible applications, we need to know how to develop code which can create applications that can make decisions. So let's learn how to compare values in code. At first, you might be wondering what's so special about this, but as you begin to make more applications, you find that this is a very commonly used practice, one in fact you will find hard to work without. By comparing values in our code, we can make decisions and then take appropriate actions based upon that comparison. We can compare values in code utilizing conditional statements.